What's up guys, welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how you can easily increase your coins in Hamster Kombat. And in order to do so, you have to go to daily rewards. For this I assume you just started with Hamster Kombat and you would like to have a lot of coins in a very short amount of time. And I'm going to tell you how you can. And that is actually basically very easy. The first thing I would recommend you to do is to unlock those 100k in coins, and that is just by watching a YouTube video. You click on watch video, you will be redirected to a link, and I've already watched this video, as you can see. So when you return back to the Hamster Kombat, it will tell you that it will take probably 1 hour in order that the bot will find out that you watched the video. So don't worry, you will get that 100k. And if you have even more videos in here in Hamster YouTube, make sure to watch all of them, because it is very easy getting coins. And of course you can get 5k with joining the Telegram channel, following the X account, choose your exchange. That's just actually really easy, 15k. And you can invite 3 friends, 25k. So of course you can do those, but I think it is worthwhile more to watch YouTube videos, and after that go to the daily tasks, here the daily reward. And as you can see, it is my first day today. I claimed it for day 1, 500 coins. And make sure to log in to the game every day for 10 consecutive days without skipping, because you can see day 2 is 1k, day 3 2.5, day 7 100k, day 10 5 million. So if you really want to get rich in this game, start out with logging in every single day. Put it in your agenda, something like that, to make sure you don't skip one, because it would be a shame when you miss out on, in total it is 6.6 million. So this is a really easy way to start on Hamster Kombat and increase your coins. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and then I'll see you guys in the next one.